My name's Anthony Myers. Today I'm going to be talking to you about tub faucets and vanity faucets. So a lot of the time people don't realize all the different options you have for tub faucets. As far as like wall mount faucets, you have a tub faucet, wall mount faucet, and freestanding faucet. And also if you are doing an undermount tub or a drop-in tub, you have a surface mount faucet. As our design team gets to know your needs, we'll go through and ask you all the different ways that you're going to utilize your bathtub. Typically on a solid surface tub, you're going to have to be using a freestanding fill valve. On acrylic tubs, that's where you get that kind of deck mount option. The acrylic tubs are going to be kind of a cheaper option whenever it comes to freestanding faucets. Whenever it comes to picking out a vanity faucet, our design team is going to get to know your needs, the style and stuff for your bathroom, and help select the best faucet that meets your needs. We do a 8-inch spread faucet the most. You have your 4-inch spread, which are going to be a little bit cheaper route. You have your single hole faucet. That's going to be kind of more on the modern, kind of more contemporary designs. And then one of the things we've been doing quite a bit are wall mount faucets. That's where your faucet comes out of the wall and goes into your sink. Those are a little bit trickier to do. Our design team, whenever we go through and design those, determine the height of those, if they go into backsplash, if they have a tile backsplash. And one of the things that we've been doing every now and then is mounting those on the drywall, and it makes for a clean look whenever it comes to a wall mount faucet. But that's where our design team will best suggest what their options are as far as fitting your needs and making sure you're getting a good end product. So on Faucet Finishes, our design team are going to get to know kind of your needs and design a faucet that's in line with kind of the style of your bathroom. Some of the finishes to just kind of not avoid, but know the kind of their limitations. Black finishes sometimes are going to be a little bit harder to clean. You're going to have your oil rubbed bronze that are going to be a little bit harder to clean. Your polished nickel, champagne bronze, all of those are going to be pretty easily able to be cleaned and you're not going to see as many water spots on those. One of the things that people don't realize from manufacturer to manufacturer whenever it comes to faucets is gold, for example. Delta has a really yellow gold. One of the challenges that we have whenever we use a Delta Gold faucet or champagne bronze faucet is matching the shower door hardware, the shower drain hardware, all of those kind of components to making sure that right finish is broadcasted across your whole entire bathroom. And that's where our design team gets to know your needs, your styles, and talks through all those kind of limitations from manufacturer to manufacturer. Whatever your bathroom faucet needs are, KCBR has you covered, and make sure that at the end of the day, you're making the right decision whenever it comes to faucet selection.